Okay, not sure how this is going to work, but so the first thing I'm going to do is create a rectangle. So got that. Select it. I'm going to set it at about 3/16 of an inch, which is 0.1875, and a height of 1.5. Alright, now I'm going to make a circle. Select that. Set it to 1.875. 5, boom. 0.1875. So we're symmetrical. Now I will select both. And then come over here. I've got my Align and Distribute tab open. I'm going to set it to center. I'm just going to select that and move it up to where it's about centered with this, and even more or less on the top. Alright. Now I'm going to select that again, hit Control D for duplicate, and then I'm going to move it, select both of those and move it down to the bottom and do the same thing, just kind of arrow down, arrow there. Now select all, path, object to path, path, union. Created them all. Alright, so now it's slightly larger than my 1.5 inches. So I'm going to go back up here and make it 1.5. Boom. So there's my first time. Now I'm going to hit Control D to duplicate. And I'm going to come over here, or actually you'll go to, I think, path, no, object. Object transform. Alright, now I've got my transform thing open here. Now I've got set it for 36 degrees. So you can hit whichever way you want it to turn, it doesn't matter, and hit apply. Now I'm going to hit Control D again, apply, Control D, which is duplicate, again, Control D, boom. Now I've got all my route. I'm going to select all, path, union, boom. Now come back over here, make me a circle, select that, set it to 1.875. Now, I've got a symmetrical circle. I'm going to select both. Now I'm going to come back over here to my Align and Distribute. Center on vertical, center on horizontal. Select all, path, combine. There is my Rowel. Boom.